Balea Sarsii is a species of air-breathing land snail, a terrestrial pulmonate gastropod mollusk in the family Clausiliidae. The species has long been overlooked because of confusion with Balea perversa. The specific name Sarsii is in honor of Norwegian biologist Michael Sars. According to Welter Schultz, Balea haydeni is conspecific with Balea Sarsii. The name haydeni has now been superseded as the species was described from Norway at an earlier date than von Maltzen, under the name Sarsii pfeiffer, synonym Lucifuga bourguignae 1857. This species has been separated from the closely related, common, and widespread Balea perversa in redescribed by Gittenberger et al. 2006, under its junior synonym name Balea haydeni von Maltzen, 1881. The valid name for this taxon is, however, Balea Sarsii. Balea Sarsii is a western Atlantic element, found on the Atlantic islands, in Portugal, northwestern Spain, and the coastal parts of France, Belgium and the Netherlands. In Britain and Ireland it is the commoner of the two Balea species, occurring also in the inland. The only locality in Denmark is Mjønsklemt. A recently undertaken revision of Balea material from Sweden and Norway in the Göteborg Natural History Museum in the Swedish Museum of Natural History in Stockholm revealed two localities for Balea Sarsii from the Swedish west coast, the island of Vinga outside Göteborg and the island Storon in the archipelago of Vaderoarna in the province of Bohuslän. Totally the species is now known from 6 Norwegian localities, of which 5 are situated in Hordaland County. It is considered a very rare species in Norway, because only 16 Norwegian specimens have been found. Among thousands of Balea perversa, this species is known to occur in Atlantic islands, Portugal, northwestern Spain, coastal parts of France, coastal parts of Belgium, coastal parts of the Netherlands, Great Britain, Ireland, Mjønsklemt in Denmark, Sweden, Norway, Hordaland County and Sogn-og-Fjordane County. The type locality is Floro in Sogn-og-Fjordane County. This is also the northernmost locality of Balea Sarsii known in Europe. The shell of the species is sinistral, left-handed, in its coiling. Differs from Balea perversa in its more slender and yellowish rather than brownish shell. The first whorl increases in diameter more rapidly and the sculpture is more weakly striated, with coarse growth lines rather than distinct riblets. Balea Sarsii differs from Balea perversa through its, in most cases, shorter, broader shell, in which the whorls increase more quickly in width. Balea Sarsii reaches a maximal height of 7 mm, Balea perversa might be higher, up to 10 mm. The sculpture in Balea Sarsii is also more wrinkled, coarser and less regular, compared to the fine, regular riblets typical for Balea perversa. The shell color is also yellowish, light brown, compared to the usually somewhat darker brown in Balea perversa. A weak, parietal denticle may be present in Balea perversa, but not in Balea Sarsii. All these characters are, however, variable, especially the shell dimensions. The most reliable character to use in separating the two species is the form of the apical whorls. In Balea perversa this part of the shell is almost cylindrical, but in Balea Sarsii it is conical. Balea Sarsii sometimes co-occur with Balea perversa. Such sympatric occurrences are not uncommon in various parts of the distribution area, and probably both species have very similar ecology. Balea species are rarely found on the ground, they are climbers and live on vertical surfaces, rocks, trees etc.